Well, here we are, day 3 down here in Cape Carteret. A little trip with the family, hanging out with my buddy Chris. I'm getting ready to go out once again fishing. Today we're planning on hitting up Schoolhouse Creek. Right now I'm just currently tying on some rigs that I plan on using today. So far I've got 2 lightweight rods up here, one with a Spook Junior on it. Another one I have set up for just a gulp jig head. Be rocking some different gulps, varying colors, to see what's biting. Also I got a heavier action rod over here, rigged up with a popping cork. Be probably running a gulp shrimp below that. And right now I'm currently tying up a little bucktail rig. I don't know, just trying to get everything done before we head out. That way when we get there we can go right to fishing. Hopefully we can get on some fish today and continue the trend. I'm going to finish tying up these rigs. We're going to head on to the water and catch some fish. Roll down here and get some ice and head on to the water. We're going to go out and make the best of it. Stop in here, get some snacks and stuff, and head on out and see what we can do.